Hi everyone, this is Deanna from the Good Docs Project. I'm one of the trainers for the May 2022 Git Training Workshop. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Git Bash with Visual Studio Code. Two things to say before I start. The first is that if you haven't installed Git, please make sure you do that first before you go through this video. And the second is just to note that these instructions will work on both Windows and Mac operating systems. So the first thing that you want to do is open up a new terminal window, and you'll do that by going up to Terminal and then clicking New Terminal. If you look to the bottom right here, if you're on a Mac like me, you may see this information here, and this indicates to us what the default terminal profile is. And right now for me, it's Z shell, which is just a type of Unix shell. If you're on a Windows machine, you may see the words Command Prompt or PowerShell here. What we want to do is change this so it says Bash instead. So to do that, next to this plus sign here, you'll click on the drop down arrow and then click on Select Default Profile. Again, if you're on a Mac, you may see a lot of these same options here, or on Windows, you may see a PowerShell or Command Prompt. You should see Bash if you've already installed Git Bash, so you can click on that. And then the last thing to do is to end your current terminal session by clicking on the trash can here, and then open up a new terminal window to make sure that the change took effect. And down here in the bottom right corner, you should see now that Git Bash is the default terminal profile. What's great about this now is that you can do all of your Git work within this terminal in Visual Studio Code. So rather than having to open up a brand new terminal window in another application possibly outside of Visual Studio Code, you can do everything in one place, and that is how we will work with Git in Visual Studio Code throughout this training workshop. So that is how you integrate Git Bash with Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, concerns, or something didn't work for you, please feel free to reach out to myself or any of the other trainers in our private Slack channel. And thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing some of you soon.